Hey there! Ever wondered how much that tech genius friend of yours is making? Well, I have too. But you know what even is cooler than the tech itself? The money these tech giants are shelling out. So I decided to do some digging and I've uncovered some juicy details about the salary packages these companies offer. Get ready to be amazed, shocked, and maybe a little jealous as I break down the cost to company or CTC structure of some companies from the biggest tech companies out there. Before I start getting into the company names, let me explain you in brief the jargons that you would usually notice on your company offer letter. This video will be divided into two parts, with the first part intended to educate those who are getting their first job. So you may not be aware of these jargons. Feel free to move the cursor to this time duration if you're already aware of it and you only are here for the numbers. Part 1 begins. Basic salary. Basic salary is the rate of pay agreed upon by an employer and employee. It does not include overtime or any extra compensation. It is the fixed amount an employee earns before any additions. Well, what are the additions then? I'll point out the components that will bring you more money and make you happy. Number 1 is bonuses. Bonuses are additional payments given to an employee over their regular salary. Here are some common types. Performance-based. Well, the performance-based bonus can be an annual bonus, also known as a yearly bonus. It is a lump sum payment made once a year by a company to its employees. This amount is usually based on the company's overall performance for that year, although it sometimes also depends on an individual employee performance. Other bonuses companies offer are milestone bonus, which is awarded upon achieving specific goals, and a sales commission. That's a percentage of sales generated by an employee. Number 2, allowances. The second component which saves a bit amount of money in your pocket even when you are paying for it. It's called allowances. Sales representatives may receive conveyance allowance from organizations. The goal is to cover fuel expenses and other expenses associated with the travel when a sales guy goes to a client. Another popular allowance is HRA, known as Housing Rent Allowance. It is given to the employees to help them meet the cost of renting, especially when they are working away from their homes. Number 3, deductions. Deductions are amounts subtracted from your salary before you get your net pay. This is the most hated component. There are some mandatory deductions required by law. For example, income tax. A portion of your salary goes towards government taxes. Professional tax. A state-level tax levied on salaried individuals. Employee Provident Fund. A mandatory saving scheme where both you and your employer together contribute. And then the insurance. An insurance scheme which can provide medical benefits to the employees. Part 2 begins. The company number 1 is Amazon. Let's say I've got a friend, Sam, who recently landed a job at Amazon with a whooping 44 lakh CTC. Let's break down his salary structure and see what it really means. First, 44 lakh doesn't mean 44 divided by 12, which is 3.67 lakh per month. Then, what is the approximate distribution? Well, Sam's base salary would be 15.5 lakhs. His first year sign-on bonus will be 9.5 lakhs, which will be received monthly in first year, followed by second year sign-on bonus 6 lakhs. Then, he would be given a relocation allowance of 1.5 lakh, which is again given one time while joining the company. Then comes the interesting part, stocks, which would be 13 lakhs, that too vested over 4 years. Well, what is stock vesting?
Stock vesting is the process of gradually earning ownership of company shares over time. Instead of getting the shares at once, You earn them year on year.
Well, Amazon stock's compensation philosophy is that only those who have a higher probability of remaining with them for a longer term can earn from stocks. Hence, Amazon stocks vest 5% in first year, 15% in second, 40% in third, and the rest 40% in the fourth year. Have you comprehended the catch here? So in the first couple of years, your bonuses are high and the stock vesting percentage is low. Starting the third year, there is minimal bonus with a higher stock vesting. So if I give you the calculation only for the first year, then your total salary is equals to base salary 15.5 plus first year bonus 9.5 lakhs, relocation allowance 1.5 lakhs, and the 5% of 13 lakhs is 0.65 lakhs. Summing up, without deductions, you would probably get 2.26 lakhs. Now let us understand the CTC of company number 2, Google. Let's say another friend, Jamie, just got into the Google and we are going to dissect it piece by piece. From base salary to perks, we have all covered. The overall CTC for a software development engineer in Google is 31 lakhs, which is again broken into these components. Base salary 16, bonus 4, joining bonus 2 lakhs, and stocks bonus 36 lakhs, which is again vested for 4 years. Now I didn't find an accurate source which gives me exactly the per year percentage, but here's an approximate value which I found on LinkedIn. First year, 33%. Second year, 33% again. Third year, 22. And fourth, if you are good in math, you should answer 12%. Well, this calculates to total base salary of 16 lakhs plus first year bonus 4 lakhs. Joining bonus 2 lakhs and 25% of 36 is 9 lakhs. So without deductions, you probably would get 2.58 lakhs in Google. The information shared in this video about Google and Amazon CTC is based on my research and public data available at the time of creating this video. I am also not supporting that you should consider choosing Google over Amazon. It's important to note that compensation packages can differ significantly based on various factors such as job role, location, and team. This video is meant to provide a general overview and should not be considered as definitive or official confirmation information. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the Programming Hub channel for more in-depth exploration. Then, if you want to have learning about the app development and also into more tutorials, we have several project walkthroughs, industry insights waiting for you. Happy coding!